nakakatuwa. You know what? Kung iisipin natin, nakakatuwa yung paraan ng pagkuha ng properties noon. Akalain mo, ituturo mo lang sa'yo na yung iba, patatakbuhin lang nila yung kabayo. Kung saan titigil yung kabayo, sa kanila na. Now, I realize kung bakit wala kaming lupa ngayon.
Bakit po?
May kabayo kami, pinatakbo ng lolo ko kaso bumalik. It's a dining area of dimension. And common in Spanish homes, that between their dining room and the kitchen, they have their own small arch window. And they put that small arch window to facilitate the movement of the foods and to minimize the foot traffic in and out of the kitchen. And besides, isa sa mga table manners sila noon, hindi sila kumakain kung may servant sa harap nila. Especially kung pangit ka. Ay, buti kayo tumawa yung isa kanina sumimangot. Hindi ko po intensyon na tamaan siya.
Tamaan lang siya.
Hindi po, kusa siyang nagpahalata. Kailangan tawa lang. Anyway, so it means inside of the small arch window is kusina nila noon. Pero I'm proud to say, kwarto ko na ngayon.